Today I would like to show you how you can make my super quick, energized, super smoothie. It just tastes like cake. Hi there foodies, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe to be notified of future videos. Hi, my name is Nadine from Nosh. Thank you very much for watching. Today I want to actually share you one of my personal recipes which I love if I'm under time pressure and I want to have like a nice energy booster. Alright, you're gonna need 1 banana, just broken up, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of hemp seed. That's the most highly protein you can eat, ideally for vegan people here as well. I've got so little left, let's just add all of this. Maca powder, very powerful, amazing stuff. 1 teaspoon of this. I like my smoothies cold, so I'm gonna add a little bit of ice. And I'm gonna use coconut water. You could use plain water and coconut water mixture. You need 1 cup of liquid, so I'm gonna use all of this because I feel like I need something sweet. Blend it up in any blender you have. I'm gonna use the NutriBullet. And voila, it's ready. I'm not going to even waste the glass. I'm going to drink it straight away. Bon appetit. Just like chocolate cake, just so yummy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I very much appreciate it. If you enjoyed that video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. If there's a dish you would like me to make, please leave me a message in the comments. Remember, as long as you cook from the heart, your food will always be delicious.